Hey everybody, welcome to my photo studio, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way to find a stud in your wall without using a stud finder and without knocking on your wall. And I'm going to show you in less than 1 minute. All that I ask is that you like the video and subscribe to my channel because I will not get monetized for this very short video. But what I do make are hilarious podcasts and other random but generally helpful videos. Okay, here we go. So all I want to do is replace this photo with a flat screen TV, so that means I got to put a mount in the wall. My stud finder is not really finding the studs, but you know what method always works? I remember this old carpentry trick, and it is a strong magnet. Strong magnet will find a drywall screw that is sunk into the stud. All you got to do is rub this strong magnet on the drywall until you find where the screw is. I know I've saved you time and I've saved you a lot of frustration, so please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll definitely respond.